Hello guys, happy Christmas. It is the 26th of December and we have a quick book review by Model Graphix, Star Wars Modeling Archive 3. It came out last week. Great book, had a little check of it, and yeah, it is pretty dope. Obviously this book is in all Japanese. Great little a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. In the in sleeve, picture of the Falcon. This is the contents page. Obviously got the LED Imperial class Star Destroyer. Bandai Spirits was released a good few months ago, I believe. Had a lot of problems getting these kits, as you all well know. Just got some pictures of here of this build. It is by Masahiro Fukui. So this book is not for the faint-hearted. It's kind of for the pro modeler, and you can see all the detail and work in there. It's just phenomenal. As you can see, this kit has been really maxed out with lights. Now, if you did buy the LED version, I believe that there was this in the actual, there was a pamphlet in there. This is showing you how to do little mods and stuff to the actual kit itself. And there seems to be a lot of optical lighting in there, lots of lights, some custom modding and stuff like that. It's really high-end modeling here. If you bought this, you'll know what I'm talking about anyway. So this is quite interesting. This is the Super Star Destroyer, and I do have some of these in my stock right now. And I've got to say, for this being so thin, it's, was it 19 centimeters? It's that Bandai kit there. How on earth this guy has managed to put lights in here is beyond me. It is pretty mad. They've also done a diorama there, if you can see there. It's pretty mad. It's got like blue and white lights in there. This one here is the Blockade Runner. Again, this is another amazing build. This is the one that comes with the Star Destroyer, and I don't know, like I said, how he's done that. It's rather impressive, to say the least. I don't know if he's taken he's got his own special print there at the bottom of the Star Destroyer. I don't think you can buy that. I think he's 3D printed it. This is Lars Garage with Luke, C-3PO and R2-D2, with the message from Leia, showing you the 3 kits that we use in this diorama. It's rather amazing, to say the least. It looks like a film prop. I mean, it's, like I said, high-end modeling. That's the diorama there. Let me just flick my camera a little bit up. You can see a bit better. That's better. He's got like a little clear, you can see like a clear layer that he's made, sculpted out of plastic, and he's put like different lighting units on there, control switches. It's rather mind-blowing, to say the least. Definitely out of my skill set. Going into Luke, his Stormtrooper kit. Do you remember, guys, telling you how to do shadows and stuff like that? It was pretty interesting. So I'm just flicking. This is for a customer, by the way. By the way, this is Han as well, showing you how you can mod the face a little bit more, which is pretty cool. I think for that kit, the faces are really good, but I think they need some form of texture to it. This is the Death Star control room. I'm going to put that in with the customer. Oh, these things, I don't know if you can see that on camera. These were in like little gachapons. I could only get Princess Leia. I couldn't get the other ones. And they're in scale. My phone's pinging away right now. 172. It's a control room. As you can see, it's pretty decked out. Death Star docking control room. It's got all these lovely little lights and stuff in there. So going back to the old school movies. Death Star 2. My phone's going off. Sorry guys, let me just turn my phone off. This is the last words of Vader. It's pretty cool. It's got a little section there of the script. It's got Vader's lights in there as well, illuminated. I presume that's the Vader kit with the exposed Vader face. Showing you how he's made it is epoxy. He's done a custom cloak on there as well. It's pretty good. B-Wing, Starfighters. Nice build. Showing you, there's a light set up there as well for the B-Wing. Rather bloody nice if you ask me. Millennium Falcon in Submarine. Got Millennium Falcon build. Beautiful build. Not too overly weathered. Showing you how he's done all the lights and stuff. Again, this is rather technical. You can use Google Translate on your phone to scan it. Look at the lighting set up there, man, in the cockpit. Damn! Lando Calrissian's Falcon. Again, giving you step-by-step instructions. Hangar 6 First Order Resurgent Class Star Destroyer Finalizer. Using the little mini kits from the First Order set. Beautiful. Can you believe that this is an actual model thing? It's pretty mad. Also got these, I don't want to say too much if you haven't seen the movie, but in Rise of Skywalker, you guys will know what happens with that. I won't say too much. Anyway, I gave you a little spoiler there. Captain Phasma, got a custom head on there. Excellent build progress there of the hangar bay using plow plate lights and LEDs. Sea of Antor. I wonder if that's Luke's ship. I presume it is. Done a full epoxy underwater scene there. She's rather bloody good. Poe's X-Wing boosted. Blue Squadron Resistance. Some mini kit series. Again, showing you how to do the lights. Pretty mad, man. Flying R2-D2. Cool. The rocket booster. Not too keen on that. Not keen on those flames. ATM 6 Battle of Krat, whatever. I'm doing a quick review of this guy because I know some of you will be buying this. There is a Death Star kind of build going in here. The X-Wing. I might even have to buy this myself just to learn about some new like skill sets for LED lighting. The R2Q2, the R2Q5, all LED'd up. Don't forget to check out my man Tidarium Models, Mr. Warren Monks. Check him out, man. It's got loads of droid builds in here. R4T8, oh, I've never seen that one before. Sick. And this is the guys who built the kits in the back. Hardcore modelling crew. This is the back. Talking about, oh, speed. Look at that. It's got some reference stuff from back in the day. From the Star Wars film set. So, that's it, guys. This is just a very quick video and showing you what this book is about. It's really nice. So please go out and buy it. I will try and stock it in my inventory, but I only could get one. It's going out to one of my old school customers. So guys, may the force be with you, and happy Christmas. I'm hoping to make some more videos today if I have time permitted, and I will show you what I've been doing on the old bench. So take care, guys, and don't forget to click that like, share, do what you want with it. Happy Christmas.